Hi, I'm Shekhar from Mathshala, and today we'll see distance formula from coordinate geometry. We all know distance formula means taking under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x1, y1 is the coordinate of one of the points and x2, y2 is the coordinate of another point. In between, we'll see take out the distance. But how? So let us see. I'm taking an example from the first quadrant. If there are 2 points x1, y1 and say x2, y2. Now what is the distance between these 2 points? That's what the distance formula does. Irrespective of the quadrant, we will always use the same formula. If this is the quadrant, then we use all the positive ones. If this is the quadrant, then we use the negative x. Both x and y are negative. And here, as we have seen earlier, this is where x is positive, y is negative. Having said this, the formula works everywhere, across the quadrants as well. So let's see how things take up. So the distance between these 2 points is this straight line. Fine. Now if you see, if I see this is a point is x1 and say this is a point as x2, right? So from origin, this distance is x1. From origin, this distance is x2. So the distance between x1 and x2 would be x2 minus x1. Fine. And now we will create a line parallel to the x-axis like this. If you can see this part, then this is a right angle triangle. Right? Now, so if this is x2 minus x1, can I say this is also x2 minus x1? Similarly, while I will take care of this as well, this is y2, this is y1, hence this is y2 minus y1. The distance between these 2 points on y-axis will be this. Take it that way, this is y2 minus y1. Since this is a right angled triangle, now can we use Pythagoras theorem in it? Yes, what does the Pythagoras says? This square plus this square is equal to the hypotenuse square. And the hypotenuse is the distance between these 2 points. So let us see, d square would be, the square of this is x2 minus x1 whole square, and this is y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance square is this, what would be distance? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Simple. Try it by yourself once and you will never forget it. Enjoy, take care, happy learning.